Achieving net zero targets is a lot more than just the fuel we're using. A key component, of course, is technology, the platforms that we fly on. And who better to speak to than Dr. Mark Bentall, who is the head of R&T with Airbus. Mark, tell us about the technologies that are coming through that's going to make that big difference for us for those 2050 targets.
So we have quite a large portfolio of technologies targeting that sort of time frame, covering all of our portfolio of aircraft, as well as the helicopter platforms as well. That portfolio we normally split into the major components. The biggest contributors to sustainability are really going to come from the wing, from the aerodynamic side, and from the propulsion integration and the propulsion itself. So we have a number of major research programs running on those topics to really drive the sustainability agenda for the next generation of aircraft.
Now, if we go back to 2019, we had a lot of talk about hydrogen was going to be the Airbus future, and we saw those beautiful models coming through. Is that still a reality?
Yeah. Hydrogen is a perfectly valid fuel source and energy source for our future aircraft. The way in which you produce the propulsion that you need, whether that is via a fuel cell, which we just announced in the end of last year, our research into fuel cells and fuel cell propulsion, or whether you go down the combustion road, really depends on the target product that you're going to be aiming for. And so they can target different parts of the portfolio. The airlines will have to get used to multiple fuel options. And that's also true as it is today, as it was back several years ago when we started talking about this. So we will see different sizes of aircraft, we will see different ranges, different profiles for those based on hydrogen, but we will still have all of the traditional aircraft with the traditional ranges, seating capacities and fuels on sustainable aviation fuel, but far more efficient platforms in the future.
And Mark, can I ask you, as a manufacturer, Airbus is a huge manufacturer in different parts of the world. How green are you in your processes?
So that's a key question of our scope 1 and scope 2 of our portfolio. So when we do our research, we actually embed all of the industrial technologies, all of the recycling and material technologies into our research program as we go along. We used to keep them separate, and quite often you would see that things were not coming together. So actually in the end we decided that we needed to put them together. So for example, when we're doing our wing research program, the industrial capability and the industrial design behind that is fundamentally part of the system, and that includes the energy reduction, the amount of waste that wing future wing manufacturing process will require.
Now, notoriously, development programs run behind schedule. Will we be on target for 2050?
So far, we're on target. With the plans look at a set of maturities through our technology readiness levels. They're currently all looking on target. We've not found any showstoppers in the current plans that we've got. This is what we're constantly searching for as a part of a technology organization within the company. And so far, everything is looking good. We've got our multiple pathways still running all in parallel, and everything's looking okay.